Hey guys, let's make moi-moi. Yes, this is my own special recipe. There are different ways you can make your moi-moi, but this is how I make mine, and this is unique for me. Alright, so as at this point, I already soaked my beans for about 2 hours already, about 1 hour to 2 hours already. Alright, and I did that off video. I kind of pulsate my blender to peel off the skin of the beans, so washing it wasn't really stressful because as at this time I was already washing off the chaff from the beans. All right, and it was easy for me to do this because I just put my beans inside water after soaking it for a while. It is a bit soft. I just put it inside water and then I use the pause button. All right, like 1 2, just like twice. All right, and it makes the beans peel come off easily. All right, so washing wasn't really, as you can see, it wasn't really difficult for me. Just had to scrub a bit, and here we are. We have our clean beans, so clean. I can tell you, I literally washed this for less than 5 minutes and I was done. You can see the chaff all out, the peel all out. All right, so if you want to make your beans easy, especially if you want to do it on a weekday that is not weekend, then you can use that method. Okay, so here I am after peeling and washing the beans again. I'm transferring into the blender. Okay, so I'm transferring into the blender. My beans is all peeled, is all well and looking good. All right, so I am ready to cook. Okay, so I have pepper, which we call rodo. I have shombo here, and onion is so expensive. All right, so I have one onions here as well. All right, so as at this time I was already washing the pepper. Okay, I was washing it, and this is what I'll be using. I think the beans was about 3 cups or so. All right, so all clean, and I had to transfer into the already washed and cleaned beans. Okay, we are ready. Oh yeah, here I am. I'm putting curry. I know there might be controversies as regard this, but this is how I do mine, and I can tell you that you should try it because it will definitely come out well. So I added Maggi, I added seasoning, okay, I added about 2 seasoning, and then I added curry. I can tell you the flavor is nice. Okay, so because this Maggi I used I keep saying Maggi. This seasoning I used is what's it called now? Chicken flavor, alright, and it's usually very hard, so I blend it with my beans. Okay, so here we are, all blended. I'm adding crayfish. Oh, another banger, chicken stock. Oh my god, chicken stock. It's going to take your memory to another level. I also added I added blended crayfish. I also added the crayfish that has not been blended. I added salt, and there I am now. I'm adding vegetable oil. All right, it's very necessary that you add this to your moi-moi. If you want to use oil, red oil, no problem, but I'm using vegetable oil for this particular one, and you can see that it's already looking very nice. It's already looking so good already. I also added fish, dried fish. All right, so this dried catfish, I just shredded it and added it. Okay, so here I am turning my moi-moi. Oh my god, looking at it already, you will know that this is going to come out very nice. Like, it's going to come out so well. So I was done turning, and yes, I already put in the nylon. Okay, this is actually our low budget moi-moi. Okay, so our low budget moi-moi, so we're not doing all those special things. All right, so I think I bought this for about 45 minutes to an hour. I cooked for 25 minutes to an hour, and here we have it. Our moi-moi is ready. See, it's not really hard. It's not hard. There's nothing less than stone. Just tweak it and be unique with your cooking.